Hey everyone, Joy Cakeabeak here. We're going to look at how to clean makeup brushes. And I have just this quick tutorial. I have a makeup brush here that I use for foundation. So typically what I do is I start by just trying to rinse some of the makeup off. It's really important that we keep our makeup brushes clean because of the bacteria and things like that that we get on our face. They can transfer to our brushes. And then I take my makeup removal cloth. I'm going to get it nice and wet. And for the makeup removal cloth, what's kind of nice about this is that I can just use this for general maintenance to get the makeup off. You can see it coming onto the cloth here. You can gently go over the fibers and remove the makeup. So I use my makeup removal cloth for my face, but I also use it for my makeup brushes. And the makeup removal cloths come in a set of 3, so if you wanted to dedicate one for your brushes, you could do that. Don't panic, this makeup will come off. What I typically do to get the makeup off is I take some diluted stain remover and just spray it on there. And it's very diluted. This is, I think, a 7-ounce bottle, and I have maybe a teaspoon of the stain remover, and then the rest is filled with water. And then I can rub those fibers together, rinse it out, and you'll see a noticeable difference right away. And then I can go over that a second time if I need to get the rest of that makeup off. So the stain remover, this is how it comes. You can use it for any of your laundry needs, but again, just diluted, and it makes a really great spray treatment for you, a pre-treater. Then for the deep cleans for my makeup brush, so this, I would maybe use the cloth maybe once a week or so. For the deep cleans, I'm going to let the brush sit in some water with our laundry detergent. So I put a little water in the bottom here of this jar, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of laundry detergent, so a very tiny amount. Very tiny amount. Just sprinkle a little bit right in there, and then I can put my jar, or put my brush right in my jar, and just let it soak. Let all that gunk come right out. So you can see all the makeup that's coming off of the brush with this laundry detergent. And then I will just let it sit for, maybe 10-15 minutes or so. Come back and maybe swish it around a little bit more, and then rinse it out and let it, not necessarily hang to dry, but let it sit to dry. So once I would rinse this out, I'd probably just sit it against a wall right on top of my makeup removal cloth and let it just dry, and it'll turn out beautifully. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much.